Kapitbahay ko yun, college graduate yun ha, secretary graduate, secretary. Hala ka, mga secretary sila, mga college level sila. Huy! Maluoy na lang ta. Alam, Ma'am Eileen, nandito pa rin sa iyo. Naka 7 minutes and 29 seconds, minutes pa. 7 minutes and 29 seconds. Start when I was here. Ano daw? NYT word. I'm trying, ano daw? I'm trying hard how speak English slowly but surely. Oh, di ba? Oh, sana all. Ako mas gusto ko mag-Tagalog kaysa English. Oh, ikaw din. Ikaw ang bahala, Sir Rea. Kasi ikaw na may imported eh. Sana all imported. Ikaw na talaga, Sir Rea. Lahat ng gusto mong sabihin, masasabi mo eh. Ano daw? Oh, 'di ba? Start when I was here in YT Word. I'm trying hard how to speak English slowly but surely.